Roku app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your Roku application not working in your device. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of your Roku app. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Roku. If you see update just beside Roku, it means your application needs to be updated. Tap on to update, but if you see open, just leave it as it is and head over to your settings. At this page, you have to scroll below until you see apps. Under here, search for Roku as well. For instance, if this is my Roku app, you have to tap on the storage and tap on clear data. Make sure that you remember your credentials, then tap on delete. Now come back under app info page and tap on force stop. Once done, tap on OK. As you do all that, it should fix your problem. But in case you are still facing that issue, then you have to uninstall that application and reinstall it again. Get logged into your account after reinstallation, and this will definitely fix your app not working problem in your device. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. Do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.